Hello and welcome to ED 584. This is module 13. So let's go ahead and I'll share my screen. There you go. And the picture I'm sharing is one I recently took. I went back to St. Louis for the opening day of the baseball season. I was fortunate enough to get a ticket, so it was kind of a spur of the moment thing. And I was walking around downtown St. Louis, down to the Arch, and the clouds were starting to clear off. And I took this picture looking up at the Arch and back toward downtown St. Louis. That's the old courthouse there in the background, but that's the Gateway Arch. But this is a neat picture. So let's go ahead and let's get into this learning module for module 13. This module addresses non-parametric statistical procedures and will specifically focus on the use of the chi-square test. So as we go through this, there's not a lot of introductory comments, so we'll go into it. The reading from statistics for the behavioral sciences, that will be the chi-square test. That's chapter 17. And also we've got the PowerPoint here. Load this up here for you real quick. There you go, chapter 17, non-parametric tests, the chi-square test. Okay, go back in. So chapter 17, and then in the how to use SPSS, section 8.1 on the chi-square goodness of fit, and then section 8.2, chi-square test for independence. And then there's a YouTube video on chi-square test. And here you go. Okay. And we'll get out of that. Back to module 13. And then we'll have the reflective commentary due. And then we'll allow you to begin working on assignment 4. And this is worth 75 points. And this is going to be different. So what I've done is I've given 4 different data sets. I'm going to turn you loose to go in and look over the data sets, determine what statistical analysis, quantitative statistical analysis that we've gone over during the semester, and have you run the stats. And then you're required to write a 3 to 5 page paper, Times New Roman 12 font. And it's kind of a mini journal article, mini research paper presentation. Provide the introduction, your lit review, and I'm asking that you find 5 pieces of literature which can be used to support the study. Then your methods, describe your population. If it's appropriate, create a null and alternative hypothesis, and then choose a statistical test in which to analyze your data sets. And I'll leave that up to you, but you need to let us know why you used it, and also have literature to back that up. Then provide your findings, the results of your statistical test, and provide your stats, and use the APA manual when you're formatting for reporting your statistical test. Then your conclusions, and want you to interpret your findings. And this is where we're going to want you to explain the limitations of the study. And in limitations, that is what group that your findings can be generalized to. And then the final couple things, recommendations for professional practice, and recommendations for future research, and then the references. And again, I provided 4 data sets. It's up to you. You get to decide which one you want to analyze. So let me get out of this, and we'll go back to here. So again, not a lot of commentary here, but you're going to get into chapter 17, start with the non-parametric test, and this is going to be the chi-square test. We are getting close. We're going to get down close, and I will be sending out information for the final projects and the final project presentations, and provide you with dates, possible dates for when you can give your presentation, and then have you sign up for which date is most convenient for you. As always, do not hesitate to let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.